yet another day in Bali. We are just at the front of the mall in Seminyak, Seminyak Square, I think, and I make a poll on my YouTube. What next would you like to see? And nearly 40% vote. I want to see more of the Eat Street in Seminyak. So here we go. Today is the day we're gonna show you, and yeah, we're gonna show you what's going on around. It's cloudy recently. I don't know. The weather is not that really beautiful, like sunny and everything, but still very hot, still very warm. Not much rain. It's just simply cloudy a little bit. I'm gonna have a rest a little bit here on the stairs. I mean, like, I don't know, feel tired nowadays for some reason, and not much is going on actually on the streets.
Yeah, I think that because of the heat and humidity, even that it is cloudy, but the humidity is very high.
Yeah. Anyways, there is like a so hot topic everywhere on the internet, and some other YouTubers make already kind of viral videos regarding this tourist limitation. So I don't think so. It's really, you guys have to be really worried about something. I don't know. What do you think about that?
For me, from my local perspective, what I see is that rather than Mr. Governor making like such kind of limitation on the tourists coming to Bali, why then, Mr. Governor focus on the infrastructure, focus on how to restrict the over mass development in Bali. Is just like in every single day the brand new villas, the brand new building is just like rice field totally destroyed into the building, into the villa. Why didn't the government think about that? Thinking about the house of the traffic jam in Canggu, in the tourist places, just like also how to think about the waste management system in Bali, because rubbish is also a very big problem in Bali, and also about water management. As you know that once Bali got rain, I don't know, maybe later it's gonna be raining, it will be flood everywhere, as people so many people knows about that. Why didn't Mr. Governor focus on that rather than limit the tourists coming to Bali? As you know that the tourists who come now after the COVID is not that huge number if we compare that the tourists who come before the COVID. So
yeah, exactly. If I were making the video what I'm making today, it's almost 6 p.m. on Eat Street. I will barely walk, and every cars will be just in the stuck for 1 hour traffic jam, like during the Indonesian holidays. Also, if we are talking about the Indonesian holidays, the majority of the tourism industry in Bali, like literally 80% of the tourists in Bali, they are domestic tourists from other islands of Indonesia, actually. So, just to give you the numbers from 2019, Bali was visited by 25 million visitors, but actually 7 million was international, the rest were domestic. That's nearly 20 million of domestic tourists. So there's not really a big issue with international tourists, actually, to be honest. For me personally, Mr. Governor said already many things in the past 3 years since I'm making the videos, and basically never anything happened. No offense to anybody, but he also was saying to drink coffee and arak. You know what I mean? And that's actually true. He said like that, and he also not so long ago wanted to ban the motorbikes completely for the tourists from Bali. And what's happened? The officials, they just, they officially said what's the fines for not for driving a motorbike without the helmet or without the shirt or without the driving license. So that's it. Nothing. It's never banned. And those limitations, this is very serious things, and it's not that easy to make it. And also, as many people said in many other sources on Facebook, on Instagram, on TV, everywhere, tourism in Indonesia is very small percent. GDP on the country is not coming from the tourism industry, and Bali itself is just a small province in the whole Indonesia, and so it's not really main market as the tourism industry,
I think that it's not the tourists who make a problem, but better Mr. Governor just more focus on the fix the infrastructure,
especially
and
infrastructure.
Make a strict on the mass development on villas, on building, changing the rice fields into the buildings. So better focus on that rather than the things like limitation. But I don't believe that will be happen.
No, I would say even better focus on infrastructure just in general. rid off of the traffic and fix the roads and pavements and
Let's
everything
go.
so we can walk peacefully and try to don't break our legs. That will be more important than limiting some sort of like entry and putting everything on the list 1 year or something. I don't even want to follow the news nowadays in Bali, to be honest, guys. Some of Magic guy, sorry mate, you said, I don't follow news anymore. The news coming to me, even I don't want to follow them. I cannot open anything online. Just this news will hit you like the news will hit you like a punch, like a 6 Days War song, you know?
News will hit you like a punch.
So this is the main corner of the Seminyak Square and the 8th Street. Last time I was filming here in the morning, it was a little bit different situation. Now it's afternoon, like a 5:30 p.m. nearly sunset time soon. So I want to show you what's cracking around Seminyak Square. As I mentioned, you can go also into that direction. There are some restaurants, but more popular at the beginning of the day, like a morning time when you have a breakfast. We are going more into that direction, up to beer bars like a laughable over there. Look at this lovely local family driving here with small baby like this one. Yo, what's up? They just seems like chilling. Imagine they are the foreigner couple, family like this one. There will be so much hate speech, but the local people driving, so it's no issue, right? And some tourists walking here time to time. I want to show you a little bit around. Yesterday we were driving a motorbike, today we are walking, why not? What is the actual name of the street sign? Like
Jalan Kayu Ayah Street,
Kayu
basically.
Ayah Street, yeah.
Yeah, where
Sometimes
so
I make
many shops,
mistakes,
boutiques, and restaurant, you know. So this is how it is nowadays.
Yeah,
It's
this is-
like cloudy, and I hope that it's not gonna rain soon.
Yeah, hopefully it's not gonna rain. We're gonna show you a little what's going on around. Anyways, cloud bikes. So that's the situation in general at the beginning. I thought last time at morning is kinda quieter, but actually this is how it is. This abandoned building is still for sale or for release. Only difference is the guy with the tag is here. Yeah, we're gonna take you to the end of the street where the bars like a red carpet and favela and stuff. There is the coffee cartel here. No, the revolver, coffee revolver, the same like in the airport. Coffee cartel is somewhat different. My bad. And overall, that's what's going on the street. Actually, not much. Recently, 20 to 6. So supposed to be kinda more alive. That's the Greek restaurant here. Happy days. There is at least some bar here, Nirvana, with some people sitting and enjoying their time. But after that, there is not even many cars and motorbikes driving today. And the front is Gingerman, obviously. Some people chilling, but overall, that's how does it look, the 8th Street recently. Anyways, one more time, Gingerman, and this is the small street what I always showing you when on the 8th Street, because it's very interesting how it's one-way road, but everybody's going and making a traffic jam. Anyways, this is the ex-Rumors restaurant here, totally abandoned. Some windows are even open or broken, I'm not sure. Totally just left over. Pretty sad, that was pretty cool place. But yeah, what we can do like that? Nobody know what's happened actually with the Rumors, and those people looks lost here. I don't know what's going on actually. But yeah, that's how does it look like. And I'm gonna show you, this is another abandoned restaurant. And this guy here, he even sitting and seems like very enjoying sitting on the motorbike on the pub. And this is legendary Silker Cave, where also so many people trying to sell you some random stuff. If you ever pass the street, you sure know what they try to sell you. I cannot mention that on YouTube though. Overall, the weather is like, everything is so grayish. Feels a little bit like I'm filming in Ireland somewhere, in Ireland in general. In UK, there's always gray colors like this one. And overall also on the street, that's not that really much is going on. The security officers are so interested what I'm filming because they're looking at me. Yeah, and then overall, that's how does it look like here. Here we go. Some heavy tourists walking, at least time to time, guys. All right, and this is the most busiest corner here. The goat, legendary, well, the greatest of all the time. This is the shortcut of the goat. It's not about the goat animal itself. Yeah, some people there enjoying, of course, the sellers and all of this stuff here, like always, you know. They just chilling and seems like enjoying the time. Berlin kebab, what looks like a Hooters in general. The waitress dressing exactly the same outfit, you know, the circular stuff. some people here chilling, walking around, some barbecue. Last time was busier at that time. For some reason it's recently slightly a little bit quieter. Don't know actually what's going on, but that's how does it look like. La Favela, also legendary place. Just wanted to show you. Also gonna stop the Berlin kebab, what looks like a Hooters, as I said, the goat, all of this, you know. That's overall stuff. It's pretty hot. The humidity is extremely bad. It's actually pretty hard to take a breath and show you. And of course the red carpet at the front and the ice delivery. They always deliver ice like this one, by the way. So it's always safe to drink the drinks with the ice in Bali in general. And this is the red carpet. And the main corner usually here is crowded. Today is just simply like that's like how it is. Of course it's not super quiet, but it's not super busy. I think the Legion last time was busier even than Seminyak today. And Ubud of course, but Seminyak looks like this on the Eat Street. Anyways, that's the comprehensive review from the Eat Street today. So, say goodbye to the people.
Okay, so I think that's all about our video today, and regarding of the hot topic nowadays about the tourist limitation. So that's our personal opinion. Thanks for watching and see you tomorrow. Bye.